Hello and welcome to my shop. My name is George and I'm coming to you from Chelsea, Quebec. Today I have a fast tip for you. It's how you can set your miter gauge to 45 or 90 with nothing more than a speed square. So I don't know if everybody knows how to do this or if it's a unique tip that I stumbled onto. I did go through YouTube videos looking to see if anybody has mentioned doing something similar and didn't come up with anything. So here goes. Now, early on, my miter gauge worked perfectly, but lately it's been a bit wonky. And I should take the time to recalibrate it properly. So recalibrating it, making sure that it's square to the miter slots on the table saw. But the other day I just wanted to make a 45-degree cut and I didn't want to take any time to recalibrate the thing. I just wanted to make the cut. So here's what I did. I took a speed square. Now it wasn't this one, it was this one. But things worked out so well that I went and bought a new one because I thought this would show up better in the video. So to set the thing to 45, I put the speed square into the adjacent miter slot and then held the miter gauge fence against the speed square and also against the slot, and when it was properly registered I tightened down on the miter gauge and it works beautifully. I made a first 45 degree, turned the board over, made another one, and they came out perfectly, 90-degree meeting point. So I was thrilled with how well it worked. To set the thing to 90, it's even easier just because things are closer, a little more manageable, but there you go, 90 degrees. And you use the adjacent miter slot because this slot of course is filled with the stem of the miter gauge, and so you can't get it in there. So that's it from me for today. One quick little thing, the plastic ones work better because they're much thicker and so they register more easily against the slot and the fence that you've got attached to your miter gauge. So yeah, that's it for me for today. I want you to take whatever time you can for your passion, and if you can share it, even better.